In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom reports in QuickBooks Online Advanced. We'll walk through the entire process from creating a brand new report to customizing how it looks, filtering the data, and finally saving and exporting it so you can reuse your work whenever you need. First, let's create a new report and set the basic parameters. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, go to the Reports section. Here, look for the option to create a new report and select it. This opens up a blank template where you decide what data you want to see. Start by choosing the data source or type of information you want to include, such as invoices, sales, or expenses. Then set your date range. This is important because it controls which transactions appear on the report. You can narrow it down to a specific month, quarter, or year, or widen it to see trends over a longer period. Always double-check the date range so the report answers the question you're actually trying to solve. Next, let's customize the report view so it's easier to read and more useful. Begin with the columns. Select the columns option to control exactly what shows up. If you see a column you don't need, uncheck it to remove the clutter. If the order doesn't make sense, simply drag the columns into a layout that matches how you review data. You can also search for additional fields to add more detail. Now take a look at sorting. By default, your report will come pre-sorted, but you can change this quickly. Click on any column header that has up and down arrows to sort by that column. For example, you might sort by date, amount, or customer name, depending on what you're analyzing. You can also group your data to make patterns easier to see. Use the Group By option to organize rows, such as grouping invoices by customer or by account. If you need more detail, you can create subgroups, so you might group first by customer, then by product or service. For each group, you can adjust calculations. Instead of only seeing totals, you can change the calculation to show things like averages or percentages, which can help you compare performance. Once your layout looks good, it's time to filter the data. Select the Filter option to limit what appears in the report. Filters let you focus on exactly what you care about. For example, you can filter by accounts receivable status so that AR paid equals unpaid, showing only outstanding invoices. You can also filter by specific amounts or other conditions. Use AND filters when all conditions must be true, and OR filters when any one of several conditions is enough to include a row. Finally, when you're happy with the report, save and export it. Give your report a clear, descriptive name and save it so you don't have to rebuild it next time. You'll find it later in the Custom Reports tab, ready to run again with updated data. From here, you can export the report if you want to work with it in another tool, print a copy for a meeting, or schedule it to be emailed automatically on a regular basis. This way, your custom report becomes part of your ongoing reporting routine, not just a one-time snapshot.